After an extensive jury selection, the case that is predicted to last weeks is finally underway for 4 former Schneider Regional Medical Center officials. Friday morning, the 4 arrived at the courthouse early in a steady downpour. The accused are former hospital CEO Rodney Miller Sr., former COO and General Counsel Amos Carty Jr., former CFO Peter Nahowicz, and former hospital board chairwoman June Adams. Former executives Miller, Carty, and Nahowicz are accused of operating a scheme that enabled them to steal hundreds of thousands of dollars from the hospital, which the prosecution reminded jurors was and is facing financial difficulties. Their charges include violating the territory's anti-racketeering statute, called SECO, and multiple counts of embezzlement, fraud, and grand larceny. The charges against Adams, who is not charged with any SECO violations, include perjury and aiding and abetting embezzlement. Judge Dunstan read off the charges to jurors Friday morning, a list so long it took over an hour, but he reminded them that it was a list of accusations, not evidence. Prosecutor Denise George Counts opened arguments by comparing the hospital to an iceberg, improving above the surface with a huge unseen block of corruption and deceit lurking beneath. She listed off information about hospital funds that the 4 had allegedly funneled into private accounts for their own use, as the Kimmelman Cancer Institute was forced to turn away patients due to lack of funding. The defense came back with strong opening arguments of their own, stating the transactions that had been made were not only legal, but in the agreed-upon contracts that the hospital's board had approved. All 4 continue to contend that they have done nothing illegal and that there's the paperwork to prove it. Reporting from Superior Court on St. Thomas, Charlotte Hancock for News 2.